Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple easy drawings that how you can create some pictures just by writing simple digits and the numbers. First write a 4 and draw the circles and squares, draw the lines and then make a van and it's ready. Next, take a light green pencil and then draw the colors like this. Draw the lines over it using dark green pencil. Now make its branches using the brown pencil like this. Now draw a star on the top. Now draw the lines. Now make the dots on the sides and then your Christmas tree is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, draw the half triangles like this. Now make the house like this. Draw the bushes near it. Make the door and the windows as shown in the video. Now using different colors, fill it. Make a chimney on the top. Now color it if you want, or you can just leave it as well and it's ready. Next, we will make a tree. Draw the V like this. Now draw the lines on the sides. Draw the circular lines like this. Now color it using green color. Now your tree is ready. Next, we will make a capsicum. First, write a 0 in the between and then draw the semicircular lines like this. Now on the top, draw its stem like this and then color it using any color if you want and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, sprinkle some pencil dust on the white sheet like this in the same manner as shown in the video and in the equal distance. Now using the fingers, spread it like this and then spread it one by one. Now take the marker and then draw the lines like this to make the ant. Draw its legs, eyes and it's ready. You can make as many as ants on the white sheet of your choice and it's done. Thanks for watching.